We were promised to be on Lacadco Seasonal Dance with Dr. Lantonette Steins, and it never happened. And I feel a way about it. 1998 when Jamaica I go for the World Cup, and this is what, 28 years ago. See, I was the one that choreographed the dance that went into the National Stadium. Me when I rock Michelle on my ear, the young ear, Shelly they rock Fair one as well, Black in the Day. I have proof somebody walk the walk. So when people hear me talk about my achievements, very modest about what I do, but I realize now, modesty don't get you anywhere. Passing it on. That is why I have a dancehall course outline that is accredited. So the generation forward after me can come get accredited in dancehall. That are the kind of legacy I want to leave.